Say one. Oh, hi, everybody. Hello, my name is Hope, and I'm a Seedaholic. And I'm coming to you today with another unboxing. I got a gift from Trinity, Angel, and Kiddo over at UT33200. Or 33200. I'm sorry, I keep saying her channel name wrong. But anyway, they sent a letter with their gift, and it says, "Hello, friend. Please accept these seeds as a gift from us and this great community." And the gardening community is wonderful. It really is. Please note that the tomatoes and peppers come from our own personal saves and are untested, and also may not be true to type. The rest are from community and localized saves. Save, trade, grow, or throw out as you see fit. Thanks tons. UT33200, Angel and Kiddo. UT is Trinity. And first and foremost, they sent me a pack of loofah gourd seeds, so I have more, so yay! I'm going to try to grow 10 plants. If I get 10 good plants, you guys, watch out. Everybody's getting loofah gourd seeds next year. This is my favorite. This is the one I was not allowed to buy, and a couple of people have sent me this now, so thank you.
Wait, why are you not allowed to buy?
Because your dad says I have too many seeds. Ouch. Yeah. If I buy another seed packet, I'll have to move out. So, they also sent, look, they sent something for Camera Girl, who's helping me today. They sent Velvet Queen sunflowers, and I'm going to try and grow all of these and save seeds from these as well, because aren't those gorgeous? Look at that beautiful color. You like those, Sarah? Then they sent me a packet of assorted tomatoes and peppers. They sent Blue Beauty tomato, which I had never ever heard of. Hey, they sent Cherry Bomb mild pepper. They say it's mild because they're vets, but I'm a lightweight and I don't know if it's mild. We'll see. I'll let you know when I taste it. And I will taste it on camera so you can see my true reaction. Then they sent Korbachi seeds, and I am excited to grow these because everybody says these are wonderful. They're delicious, and I've seen everybody else's be super prolific, so I'm very excited about that. These are Chinese 5-color hot peppers. Even though I don't eat the hot peppers, I loved watching theirs and other people's turn all those gorgeous colors. These peppers can have yellow, purple, red, and other colors on the bush all at the same time, and they're super prolific. Then we have Violet Sparkle Sweet Pepper. And, you know, purple's my color, and I didn't have any purple pepper, so thank you. Then we have Myra, M-I-R-A, Sweet, who I've never heard of, so I'm excited to get her to find out what she tastes like and looks like, so thank you. And we have Carbon Tomatoes. And a Manna Orange Tomato, which I wanted to order these two. Then we have one called Wagner Blue-Green Tomato, which I've never heard of, but I'm certainly going to grow. Then one more that I don't believe I'd heard of. No, I heard of this. It's Japanese Black Trofeli, but I didn't have any seeds, so I'm happy to get those. Thank you. And I'm excited about all these peppers because Trinity and Angel are experts at growing peppers. I mean, they are magnificent, so I'm copying their success to have my own success this year because I've never really had great success with peppers. So I'm hoping that the blessing of them sending them to me will make me successful as well. Maybe not pro expert like them, but at least on the learning curve, getting better. Then they sent me a beautiful ornamental. This is called Hypoestus Pink Polka Dot. And look at this. It's for part to full shade. So it can't go on the butterfly garden. It's got to go in the backyard by the sage. And it's green with like pink foliage. And I can't wait to put that back in my little shade bed back here. So thank you. That'll brighten things up because it's kind of dull back there. So thank you. Then they sent me strawberry popcorn. And you know my husband likes to grow assorted corns. And we've never grown popcorn that I'm aware of. So hopefully we'll get a good harvest out of this and be able to save some for next season. That'll be cool. Thank you.
And if we have pepper.
And then, oh, and we do have our own popper, is what she's saying. And then we have pie pumpkin, and my husband is a great baker, and he makes good pumpkin pie, so thank you. And we have crookneck squash, which I'm excited about because I forgot to save seeds like a dummy out of my own last summer, so I'm glad to get some so I can grow a bunch, because this is going to feed a lot of people, including my own family, the pantry, the church. Thank you. And then we have butter crunch lettuce, which is my favorite. I've told you before. And boy, oh boy, I don't even know what to say. This is enough seeds for the rest of my life, I think. So thank you. Then this is American cucumber, which I'd never heard of. But I'm glad to get it. I always like getting new varieties that I'm not familiar with and trying them out. So thank you. Then we have lemon cucumber, my favorite, and I've never had great success. I hope that you blessing me with seeds from your yard will bless me with a bountiful harvest. Thank you. Then, last but not least, white icicle radish. I'm going to go plant these today because it's 2 weeks after I planted my first set, so it's time to succession sow some radishes. So I'll be putting about 25 of these out, and I understand these are very good radishes. I've never had them. So thanks you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more of my videos, and Camera Girl,
Put your opinion in the comment down below.
put your opinion in the comments down below.
Still, after.
And I am going to wish everybody happy gardens this year, but also blessed and bountiful harvests from your gardens this year. Thanks, you guys. Until next time. See you later.
Bye.